Mary, Gerald, thank you for hiring us. And just tell us about the experience. Tell me about why you needed sprinklers first.
Well, the reason that I wanted to sprinkle, I love working out in the yard, but this extreme heat has made me decide that I can't, and my age not getting any younger either, so that made me decide that I needed to get a sprinkler system. And I'm very happy with it. I've gotten to enjoy 2 days, the front before the finish, and I'm looking forward to the whole thing now, so
yeah.
I'm very excited about it.
And how did you end up finding us?
My son told me about you.
And how did you find us?
I found you on social media.
Oh, yeah?
I saw you talking to another couple, and the way they was talking and the work that y'all did for them was very excited for them.
Yeah.
And so that's when I got your number and I called you, and you and I started talking, and I told you my mother would like to have a sprinkler system and everything. And we met you, and you came out, and you were straight up, very honest about what you were saying, and y'all did do exactly what you said you were going to do. And the yard is back fine, looking good, and everything. So we really appreciate you.
All right. And was everything going smooth for you? Did we do a good job?
Beautiful job.
All right.
When you had it all torn up,
yes.
I got scared.
Yeah. Look at it now. It looks. It looks pretty good, right? I mean,
I sent a picture to my my other son and daughter, and I said, "Look what I've gotten myself into."
Yeah.
But the end result is beautiful.
Yeah.
Very happy.
Okay. Well, On Point, the family at On Point, me and my son and our crews, we appreciate you guys, and y'all call us anytime. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.